So use the link in the description area to download this file, Excel OMQM Mac. It's a zipped file, so we need to extract the files. Once I do that, all the files are available in this folder. Now let's open Excel on Mac. So if you go up, Excel, File, Edit, etc., you'll see Tools. Click on Excel Add-ins. For working in Excel, I make use of all three, so I'm going to select that. But I also want to add one more, which is our Excel OMQM. So browse. Let's go in that folder that we created. And then you see this Excel OMQM. Let's select that and say Open and OK. So it says additional permissions required. Grant access. So it is referring to one of the files. And Excel QM pops up. Then it says additional permissions are required. So let's do this one more time. Grant access. This workbook contains macros. Do you want to disable macros before opening the file? So macros may contain viruses that could be harmful to your computer. Since we are using it from trusted sources, I'm going to say enable. So we get a preference wizard. So now we can close this by clicking on this cross red button and then right click and say quit, so that we are totally out of Excel. And then we go back and open this Excel, and we see that this window pops up. So we can say close. So now at the top you can see Excel QM appears, and then we have all these options. So let me select this QM menu. When you click on that, you see this games option. So we can give a title, whatever you like, and we can say OK. We have two rows for two strategies here, similarly two columns. Now let's look at one example. In the book, you have this example where 3, 5, 1, -2. 3, 5, 1, -2. So based on this, it calculates minimax as 3 and maximin also as 3. So basically that's the saddle point, or the value of the game in this case is 3. This is how you can bring in OMQM within Excel when you have a Mac computer. Thanks for watching. See you soon.